What is up, guys?
Stars shining bright above me. Night breezes seem to whisper.
Today is the day that I'm moving into my first apartment, and I'm super excited. I've been living with my friend for a while until the apartment complex has been ready, so I'm very thankful. Today's video is just gonna be an empty apartment tour. I've actually never seen my apartment. I've only toured the 2-bedroom one, so this is gonna be totally a surprise to me too. So I just got done signing the lease and doing all the paperwork. So now I'm walking up to it. Alright, first look. Oh my goodness. So we got the laundry room right here. I don't have a washer or dryer yet. Oh my goodness. The kitchen, it's so beautiful. The living room area. It's kind of dark in here because the blinds are shut. Let's see. The bathroom. Probably a coat closet or towels. My bedroom. Closet. Oh my gosh. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and close out this video. I know it's short, but there's not much to show when there's literally like nothing in here for now, but I will most definitely be doing an update. So when my apartment is all ready, I will be doing an apartment tour. So yeah, I just have a few things as you can see. So yeah, see you guys next time.